In this video, we will see dry run of the code. So now let's see a quick dry run of this code. So here is my nums array. This is my nums array. These are the indexes and this is my object. Okay, so let me denote n. That is the size of the array. That is 4. And this is my object. And let's see, I is starting from 0. So I will start from here. Is object of nums of I, that 1 is defined. Okay, you can understand this complete as is it defined. So if 1 is defined, no, it is not. So I won't come under this loop. I will come here and I will define it 1 with index 0. Again, I plus plus, I will be here. Is 0 is defined? 0 is defined? No, it is also not defined. So I will define it. Object of nums of I. Now again, I will come here. Is 1 is defined? Is 1 is defined? Yes, now it is defined. And now I will come under this loop. Okay, and I will do I, that is 2 minus object of nums of I, that is 1, that is 0. Nums of I, that is value 2 minus 0 is less than equals to k. No, which is greater than k, right? So I will won't return true. I will come here and I will update it. So I will update 0 with the highest index, that is 2. And again, I will do I plus plus. I will be again 1. Is 1 is defined? Is 1 is defined? Yes, it is defined. Again, I will do I minus object of nums of I, that is 2, is less than equals to k. And yes, that is equals to k. So what I will do, I will return true and the answer will be true. Again, if I talk about time complexity, so this is a single loop running, right, for n times. So the time complexity will be big O of n, and I am taking one object as in space. So the space complexity will also be big O of n. So yeah, that's all for this problem. Okay. In the next video, we will see some different problems that is comes under the objects key value pairs.